In today's video, I'm going to teach you join command not working and why join command is not working in AutoCAD. If your join command refuses to cooperate, it usually comes down to one of three things. The objects aren't truly touching. They're not on the same plane. Or they're not compatible at the point you are trying to join. Let's walk through how to recognize each issue and fix it smoothly so you can keep your workflow moving. First, the most common culprit is a tiny gap between objects. Even if two lines look like they meet, a microscopic space can break the join. Zoom in as close as you can at the intersection and check whether the endpoints actually snap together. If they don't, use fillet with a radius of 0. This is a handy way to force endpoints to meet exactly without altering the overall geometry. After that, try join again. If it still fails, repeat the zoom and check process along the entire path to ensure every connection is truly closed. Next, watch out for objects drawn on different Z elevations. When lines or arcs sit on different planes, the join command treats them as separate, even if they appear to touch in plan view. A quick reliable fix is to run flatten on the selection. This brings everything down to the same plane. Typically Z phase 0, so AutoCAD can see continuous, coplanar geometry. Once flattened, run join and you should get the result you expect. Another frequent issue is object compatibility and endpoint alignment. For example, a line and an arc can join, but only if one endpoint of the line exactly meets an endpoint of the arc. If an arc's midpoint touches a line, join won't work. Make sure you are joining at true endpoints and that T here is continuity from one object to the next. Overlapping or duplicated lines can also confuse the command. You may have multiple copies stacked on top of each other or small segments that partially overlap. Use the overkill command on the selection to remove duplicates and combine overlapping collinear segments. Cleaning up the geometry this way often clears the path for a successful join. With these checks, the join command should behave exactly as intended. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.